You don't need a private jet or a seven-figure stock portfolio to look like you've made it. You just need to stop dressing like you're still figuring it out. Because the truth is, there's a version of you that walks into a room and immediately gets treated with more respect. Not because of the label on your shirt, but because of how you wear it. This video is about helping you become that guy. Today we're covering 12 simple upgrades that will make you look like a millionaire in casual clothes. Even if you're just headed to the grocery store or grabbing drinks with friends. It's not about chasing trends, it's about quiet confidence, subtle luxury, and clothes that do the talking so you don't have to. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. The Millionaire Mindset. Starts with simplicity. Here's what most guys over 40 get wrong when they try to upgrade their style. They overcompensate. They go big, flashy watches, loud prints, logos you can spot from across the street. They think, if I wear something bold, people will notice me. And maybe they will, but it won't be in the way you want. Because real sophistication doesn't chase attention, it earns respect quietly. The men who actually look like they've made it, the ones who carry themselves like CEOs and founders, they aren't walking around in overlayered, overly trendy outfits. They've stripped away the clutter. They've simplified, and in that simplicity, there's strength. That's the shift we're making here. You don't need a closet full of labels or a stylist on speed dial. What you need is a tighter filter, an eye for what looks intentional. Not flashy, not loud, just well chosen. Start with the basics. Solid neutral colors, navy, black, olive, charcoal, crisp white, soft beige. These colors don't age, they don't scream, they suggest. Then get serious about fit. A simple tee and a perfect fit will always look better than a $300 shirt that's too loose in the shoulders or bunching at the waist. Same goes for jeans, jackets, even sneakers. Sharp tailoring beats brand names every time. You want people to look at you and think, that guy just has it together. Not because you're making a statement, but because nothing about your outfit is fighting for attention. It's all working in sync. And when that happens, when your clothes match your presence, your posture, your pace, that's when people take notice. So before we get into polos or jeans or sneakers, remember this. The foundation of millionaire style isn't about dressing up. It's about leveling up. Less noise, more clarity, and above all, confidence without commentary. Let your wardrobe say it for you. Chapter 2. Stop wearing boxy polos with big logos. Let's talk about polos. They're supposed to be the easy middle ground, not as casual as a t-shirt, not as dressy as a button-down. But for a lot of guys over 40, polos have become a lazy fallback, and they're quietly dragging your style down. The mistake? You're still wearing the same loose, shapeless polos from 10 to 15 years ago. You know the ones. Boxy fit, sleeves halfway to your elbows, maybe even a huge embroidered logo over the chest, like you're on a sponsored yacht crew. Add in a thin, cheap fabric that starts to sag after a few washes, and what you've got is less casual sophistication, more, I got this free at a company golf tournament. That kind of polo does two things. It hides your shape entirely, adding bulk where you don't need it, and it ages your outfit in a way that feels dated, like you've given up on updating your basics. So what's the fix? Swap it for a tailored polo with a clean, structured cut. We're talking trimmed through the chest and sleeves, gently tapered at the waist, and built from fabrics that hold their form. Pique cotton is a classic go-to, but jersey cotton or a cotton modal blend can be even better if you want stretch and breathability. It's a small shift with a big effect. Suddenly your arms look sharper, your shoulders cleaner, and your midsection neater, all without changing a single thing about your workout routine. And forget the big logos. You don't need a horse, eagle, or sword stitched across your chest to make a statement. A mature, confident man lets the fit and fabric do the talking. Want to dress it up? Tuck it into dark jeans or chinos and throw on a leather belt. Want to keep it casual? Leave it untucked with slim fit shorts and sleek sneakers. A tailored polo can flex both ways, and that's what makes it so powerful. I've linked a few of my favorite polos in the description, the ones I keep in rotation year-round. They hit that perfect balance of refined and relaxed. Great collars, flattering fits, and fabric that doesn't fall apart after one summer. Because at this stage in life, your basics should be better. A good polo isn't just a shirt, it's proof you're paying attention, and that's what style really is. Chapter 3. Upgrade from baggy jeans to Millionaire-Fit denim. Want to know what never shows up in a millionaire's casual wardrobe? Baggy, sagging jeans with light wash and bulky fits that haven't been in style since your flip phone days. Here's the truth. If your jeans are too long, too loose, or too faded, you're dragging down every other part of your outfit, no matter how expensive the rest might be. And nothing says I gave up faster than dated denim. Instead, upgrade to dark, slim-fit jeans that look custom, feel comfortable, and instantly project quiet confidence. Think rich indigo or deep black, minimal to no fading, and clean lines that make your shoes and top half look sharper without screaming for attention. This isn't about chasing trends or going too tight. It's about tailored precision, jeans that fit close to the body without clinging, taper neatly at the ankle, and sit just right at your waist. The effect? You look taller, leaner, and far more intentional. The best part is the right pair of dark jeans can pass for trousers when needed. Pair them with a cashmere sweater or a fitted polo, and you've got an outfit that reads upscale, not uptight. It's how guys with real money dress. Quietly elevated, effortlessly sharp. And yes, I've linked a few of my go-to options in the description. These are brands I actually wear. No logos, no gimmicks, just premium denim that holds up and looks better with time. If you want your wardrobe to say, I know what I'm doing, this is the swap that starts it all. Chapter 4. Stop treating belts like an afterthought. Here's a detail most guys completely overlook, the belt. You spend time picking the right shirt, the right jeans, maybe even polishing your watch game. But then you grab the same old belt you've been wearing since the mid-2000s. Cracked, synthetic, too long, or worse, with some oversized buckle that belonged in a Hollister ad. It throws off the entire look. A bad belt makes your outfit feel sloppy. A great one? It quietly elevates everything you're wearing. The mistake? Thinking a belt is just a functional item. The fix? Treating it like a style piece, because that's what it is. If you want to look like a man who understands casual elegance, invest in a genuine leather belt with a clean, minimal buckle. Something that feels intentional, not leftover from your business casual days. The kind of belt that doesn't shout for attention but still says, this guy knows what he's doing. You don't need to go crazy on color or hardware. Stick to black, brown, or dark tan, and pair it with polished footwear to create visual continuity. These subtle touches are what separate someone who just dresses okay from someone who looks quietly put together, even in the most casual setting. Pro tip, size it right. If your belt is wrapping halfway around your waist after the buckle or hanging loose like you're still in high school, it's time for a trim or a better fit. And don't forget comfort. High-quality leather isn't just about looks. It molds to your body over time, holds up better, and won't start peeling after a few months like cheaper belts do. In short, a belt might seem like a small upgrade, but the right one brings the entire outfit together, especially when you're going for that millionaire in a casual fit look. Chapter 5. Ditch the dad shoes. Step into elevated footwear. Let's talk about the fastest way to ruin a great outfit. Bad shoes. You've seen it before and a guy nails everything from the waist up, but then you glance down and see a clunky pair of running shoes or beat-up orthopedic loafers. Instantly, the whole look collapses. The mistake? Treating casual clothes as an excuse to wear lazy shoes. Just because you're not in a suit doesn't mean your footwear gets a free pass. In fact, casual outfits demand more attention to detail because there's less structure to distract from what's off. Here's the move. Upgrade to smart casual shoes that bring elegance without being dressy. Think suede loafers, minimalist driving shoes, even a clean pair of Chelsea boots in leather or suede. These aren't trying too hard. They're the grown-up versions of your everyday shoes. Refined but relaxed. Comfortable but not sloppy. The magic is in the silhouette. Low profile, streamlined toe, no thick rubber soles or orthopedic vibes. These shoes lengthen your leg line and clean up your whole posture. You'll literally stand taller. Color-wise? Stick to timeless neutrals. Brown, tan, gray, black. These work year-round and pair effortlessly with jeans, chinos, or tailored joggers. And yes, I've linked some go-to options in the description below. Ones that hit that perfect sweet spot between comfort and quiet luxury. Remember, people don't need to know what brand you're wearing. They'll just look at your shoes and assume you've got your life together. That's the power of footwear done right. Don't just walk in, arrive. Chapter 6. Retire the puffy zip-up. Get a grown man jacket. There's one piece in your closet that speaks before you do. Your jacket. And for most guys over 40, that jacket is saying the wrong thing. The mistake? You're still reaching for the same puffy zip-ups, oversized fleeces, or athletic brand windbreakers you've had for years. Maybe they're comfy, maybe they've got sentimental value, but they're killing your look. Those jackets scream one thing, function over form. They bulk up your frame, throw off your proportions, and instantly age your outfit, no matter what's underneath. So here's the fix. Ditch the dadcore outerwear and upgrade to a jacket with actual presence. You want something sharp, structured, and versatile. The kind of jacket that looks effortless but intentional. Think dark suede bombers that hugs the shoulders and hits right at the waist. A modern black denim jacket. Not faded, not boxy, just clean and fitted. Or a lightweight Harrington in navy or olive with clean lines and no flashy logos. These jackets don't just layer better, they change your entire silhouette. They add polish, they signal maturity, and they're still casual enough to wear with jeans and a tee. Fabric matters too. Go for cotton twill, suede, or waxed canvas. Materials with weight and texture that quietly say, this guy knows what he's doing. Avoid shiny synthetics or cheap blends that look like gym gear. The key detail? Fit. A proper jacket should frame your upper body, not swallow it. Sleeves should hit right at the wrist bone. Hem should land at the belt. No drooping shoulders, no extra puff. And when you nail that fit, suddenly your outfit has shape, purpose, direction. You go from just a guy in layers to someone who looks pulled together, even in the most casual setting. Because here's the truth. Grown man style doesn't hide behind comfort. It leads with clarity. And a great jacket? That's how you enter the room already looking like the most put-together guy there. Chapter 7. Add a minimalist watch that doesn't try too hard. There's one small detail that separates the guy who looks casually rich from the guy who just looks casual. A great watch. Not the kind with a giant face and 10 unnecessary dials. Not the smartwatch that buzzes every 10 seconds. And definitely not something that looks like it came free with a cologne set. A real watch, a minimalist, well-built, timeless piece, sends the quietest, most confident signal. I know what I'm doing. And that's the key to millionaire casual style after 40. You're not chasing attention, you're controlling the frame. So skip the over-designed models with flashy logos or tactical designs. Instead, look for something clean, thin, and built to last. A brushed stainless steel case, a simple leather or metal band, a clean dial with no more than 2 or 3 complications, tops. This is the type of watch that looks just as sharp with a t-shirt and jeans as it does under a blazer. It doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. Chapter 8, Lightweight Cashmere, the quiet flex. If you want to look like a millionaire without saying a word, this is it. Lightweight cashmere is the quietest flex in menswear. It's not loud, it's not trendy, it doesn't have logos or gimmicks, but it feels expensive the second you put it on, and it tells the world you know quality when you see it. Most guys overlook cashmere because they think it's too dressy or too fragile. But here's the thing, lightweight cashmere is actually perfect for casual, elevated style. It's soft, breathable, and adaptable. You can wear it over a tee with jeans, or layer it under a jacket for a more refined look. Either way, it upgrades your entire outfit without screaming for attention. What makes it different from regular sweaters? It drapes cleaner, feels smoother against your skin, and resists the bulk that ages a lot of guys' wardrobes. No bunching, no stretching, no pilling after 2 washes. The mistake I see all the time is older guys wearing heavy knits that add volume in all the wrong places. Or worse, those synthetic tech pullovers that look like company swag. Cashmere does the exact opposite. It sharpens your silhouette and makes your outfit look intentional, not accidental. Stick with neutral colors, camel, navy, charcoal, or even a muted green, and let the fabric do the talking. Keep it wrinkle-free and make sure the fit skims the body, not hugs it. I've linked a few of my favorite lightweight cashmere pieces in the description below. These are great options that aren't just comfortable, they're confidence in fabric form. They wear well, last long, and say everything you need to say without you saying a word. Chapter 9. Know your fit, or pay for it. If there's one thing that separates casually dressed millionaires from everyone else, it's this. Everything fits perfectly. Not tight, not baggy, just dialed in. Most men over 40 think casual clothes mean relaxed, roomy, and comfortable. But here's the hard truth. Ill-fitting clothes add visual weight, make you look sloppy, and ruin even the most expensive outfit. And no, it's not about being in model shape, it's about proportions. That hoodie you've had since college, the sleeves are probably too long. That button-up you wear untucked, it bunches at the waist. Those jeans, they sag or squeeze in all the wrong places. Here's the solution. Either know your fit or pay someone who does. Take the time to find brands that build clothes for your body type, whether that's athletic, broad-shouldered, or tall and slim. Or better yet, invest in a tailor. A simple $20 hem or taper can turn a $50 shirt into a $500 looking outfit. When clothes follow your shape, everything else looks elevated. Your posture, your silhouette, your presence. Looking like a millionaire in casual clothes starts here, because confidence doesn't come from wearing more. It comes from wearing what fits, like it was made for you. And yes, I've linked some go-to brands in the description that offer tailored fits right off the rack. Chapter 10. Why logos killed the look. You ever see a guy walk in wearing 3 different brand logos on his chest, his hat, and his shoes and think, yeah, that guy looks expensive? Probably not. Here's the thing, real wealth is quiet, and real style doesn't shout. Wearing oversized logos, bold brand names, or flashy graphics doesn't make you look stylish. It makes you look like you're trying to prove something. And after 40, that energy doesn't land the way you think it does. That walking billboard vibe, it cheapens the outfit, even if you spent good money on it. Instead, lean into what actually reads as luxury, texture, fit, and restraint. A heathered tee in quality cotton, a brushed jacket with a subtle herringbone, a cashmere hoodie with no branding whatsoever. These pieces don't need a label to be respected. They speak through their construction. The goal isn't to be recognized from across the room. It's to have someone lean in and ask, where'd you get that? So if your closet's full of big name prints and loud logos, it might be time to retire them. You're not dressing to impress strangers. You're dressing like a man who already knows his worth. And if you want examples of quiet luxury done right, I've got a few listed in the description. No labels necessary. Here's what I'll leave you with. Looking like a millionaire in casual clothes isn't about wearing designer brands or chasing trends. It's about subtraction. Cutting out what doesn't serve you. The sloppy fits, the loud logos, the things that age you, and replacing them with pieces that speak without shouting. When you dress like a man who knows himself, the money look follows. Not because your clothes are expensive, but because they fit right. They feel intentional, and they carry the kind of quiet confidence you can't fake. If you found a few ideas in this video that you're ready to try, check the description. I've linked my favorite pieces, the ones I trust and wear myself. And if you want more style guides built for real men over 40, hit that subscribe button. I've got more on the way.